Listen, I know what you're thinking. How did she get to work with the NBA? And my answer to you is, I actually don't know. When I was a little girl, I played basketball growing up, right? But I never once dreamed of going to the NBA. But somehow, years later, I moved to New York, and my friend's like, oh, hey, Mai, like, do you want to play at this basketball tournament? Turns out it's at the Barclays Center. It's like a real bouge or whatever. It's like a real bouge or whatever. I posted about it, and I guess the NBA saw it, and they were like, oh my god, yes, like, this is the girl we need at the NBA All-Star Tournament. That made no sense. It still doesn't make sense to me. Damn, y'all, you know they hit it with that first class. Okay, guys. Ooh. You're telling me that I get to check my bags for free? You see that premier access, y'all? This is your first class flight?
Yeah, I've never been on here before.
Oh my gosh.
All the United boys were sitting down and they're like, she vlogs. And then Mai reaches in her suitcase and pulls out a camera and they all went crazy. They were
I'm like, do I scream vlogger right now? Like, aside from the camera.
I don't know, guys, let the chat know.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. This is a United Express flight with service to Indianapolis, Indiana.
You could not tell me that this seat was worth $1,200.
That's how much a seat's worth. That's crazy.
Each. I see this. Thank you so much. Thank you. We've arrived. Yo, there's a basketball court in this airport right now. It's a taxi call button. Oh my gosh, when I clicked that button, they like opened up the bar. They were like, yes, you can come through. Baby just got released from jail. That'd be so awkward if it like wasn't ours. Oh. I really thought everything was about me, hey? There's like no Ubers here right now. I didn't realize it was dead like this. But I think maybe it's so late that none of the Ubers wanted to pick up the phone. I mean, it is also like midnight, but... Vibes. Hello? Anyone hear me? Oh, you got us. You're not an amateur. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day.
Welcome to the city.
I'm just standing outside right now and I'm like really staring at this thing and I'm like, I am in Indianapolis right now for the NBA All-Star Games. And I used to play basketball so much as a kid. Like, basketball was one of my favorite sports. I would post shoe collection videos. I vlogged basketball. I love basketball. If I would have told my 15-year-old self that I would be taken to the NBA All-Star Game to watch basketball only like 5 years later, I would not believe myself. I'm actually so excited. I'm feeling very grateful right now. Thank you so much. I don't know how we got here, guys. I literally don't. Love you. Subscribe. Can't wait to take you along this weekend. This is giving children's hospital. Oh my gosh, like literally a children's hospital. I'm sorry. Am I being hated right now or do you guys see it? Oh my god, oh my god. I think their inspiration was like pediatric care. Hello, time is currently 3:57. Oh my gosh, guys. I feel like such a fiend sitting in the hotel lobby. Finished. I didn't know if I could do it, guys. But I was like, girl, you've procrastinated posting this video for so long now. You just need to fucking add the final touches. I'm so freaking tired. I think I got like 3 hours of sleep, but hello, good morning. Today is day 1 of the NBA All-Star Game. My face feels so swollen and puffy. I'm like, girl, we gotta face this. 1 hour and 15 minutes before I gotta be there. Let's look at the state of the hair, okay? Oh, not bad. Not bad. She's giving fried, but it is what it is. I'm going to start like wash on my face. I think that'll like make me feel better about myself. Ew, my legs are so fucking dry. I think it's from like not lotioning ever. Good thing nobody's seen my legs. Alright, now I'm gonna snatch in on my face. Thought it made me feel better. You know. You don't know what
We're just a girl in her young 20s, okay? She's 21. Hey guys, get rid of me to find an NBA husband. Should I ask the NBA players? Hey, what's the shortest girl you who?
First Celsius of the day. What in the copyright-free music is this? You may think that I added this over top, but no. This really is just playing right now at 10 a.m. in the morning.
Mine's ready, mine's ready.
I don't know what I'm holding right now, guys.
One by one. Yeah, I see where we're going for. So could you please explain it?
So you're gonna have everybody in the stands. Okay. If I had more pieces, I would have completed it. But you know, it's a sold out game. We're trying to give exclusive.
Gotcha. For 5 minutes, I was very impressive.
Good. How are you?
Doing amazing.
I'm here with Miles Turner.
The fit is mine.
Oh, thank you.
Okay guys, I just finished up with the whole Legos Miles Turner thing, and like, oh my gosh, he was so sweet, so kind. He complimented my outfit. I'm like, ah, shit. But I'm like trying to learn how to navigate, guys. I actually clench up and get so shy in situations like this. But I ended up getting the balls and then asked him questions, so it went good. Later, there's something like the celebrity match. All right, I'm going to upload a video and hide in my room until I am forced to leave. It is snowing crazy right now. It's kind of fun though. Okay, I think we're about to do like a little walkthrough of the arena and see what it's about. I'm so excited. This is so cool. I'm like, what a random side quest, guys. Isn't it so insane that you watching this video is the reason why I'm here right now? It's like, I can't comprehend it. It makes no sense. Literally only 5 years ago, I was just a little girl. I was just a little girl in her room. Hey guys, welcome back to another NC. Today I'm gonna be showing you my home court. You know, this place just brings back so many memories as a kid coming here all the time. What did I tell you? It's gonna be crazy. Yeah. It feels so good to be back. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Dancing and we're playing around. You know you've got me. And then a feeling goes raining down all over my body.
Hi everyone. I'm currently here at the NBA All-Star Games. To be quite honest with you, I don't really know what I'm doing here, what I'm supposed to be doing, but are you hyped? I'm supposed to get you hyped up. I'm supposed to get you girlies watching. Are you girlies watching the NBA All-Star Game yet? Tune in. Link in bio. No,
That's the link in bio. I'm scared.
Hi everyone. We just toured the courts and it was so cool. So cool. It is snowing like crazy right now. I haven't felt snow like this in years. Whew. Whoa, it's so beautiful though. It is very cold. This is always my favorite part. Just like, how aesthetic is this, guys? You know what I love doing? Restocking. Like, am I nuts for doing this? Okay, I'm not gonna go through it all. Is that like not so satisfying? Like, is there cameras in here? Can they see how insane I'm being right now? God, I hope not. You know what? I was gonna be crazy and restock the whole thing, but I think that I should not. But why not? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Girl, who did not close the fridge when they left the house? No worries. Stop my fridge with me. I just reorganized everything.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I just made everything look pretty.
Oh, you work here, so you're looking.
No, I'm not. I don't work here. I'm just having fun.
Nothing to do, right?
I feel like I've been out and about all day, when in reality, I think I've maybe like been in the vicinity of like 100 meters. What do I need to do? I need to fucking journal and write out my feelings because I have so many feelings right now. That's why I'm so scared to go on birth control. Nobody asked. Sometimes they say shit and I'm like, oh, That's not going online. But then somehow, I just whatever. Why is there a rave going on outside? What? The crazy thing is, the weather is so bad that nobody's outside. Hello. LeBron James? I'm about to be in the vicinity of LeBron James. Oh, here's chicken bones. Should I go to the gym? I haven't been to the gym yet, babes. And like, I told myself that I was gonna, oh my God, I thought I was naked. And then I was like, because I thought I lost you guys. I'm just a girl. I think sometimes I forget that I'm literally a 21-year-old girl. My brain's not even fully developed yet. Like, I'm not even fully developed yet. Like, I'm a fetus still. Okay, I got changed, but I don't know if I want to go yet. Also, guys, wearing alchemy sweats. Look how cozy and soft this fabric is. Just the outside, inside. It's like a fleece. I know y'all heard that. I know that they paid a lot of money to make this can sound good. Can you hear that? You're probably thinking I'm insane right now. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Did I make it extra carbonated by tapping it? Whoa, that was intense. I didn't end up going to the gym, but at least we tried. All right, guys, I'm ready to head out. This is the fit. Crazy weather out there, eh? Oh, hell nah. You got me walking in them heels. Them kitten heels. It's literally a blizzard. Ew, ew, ew. Ah! Trying not to slip. We have to get through this. Guys, we've been walking for like 15 minutes now. This snow is like, I feel like I'm actually back in Canada. But the thing is, it hasn't snowed like this in so long. And the guy, oh my God, I met a guy today in the hallway. He worked here. He's been living here for 23 years. He was old. And he said it hasn't like snowed like this in over a year. Like the last time it snowed like this was January of last year, he said. So it's like a shock to everybody right now. We're going to the celebrity match, ladies and gentlemen. We made it, guys. And these little tiny kitten heels. Dude, this cold is giving me energy. We got the Hannah Montana glove going on right now. This is screaming we're in the middle of nowhere. Girl, I'm lost. I thought this was gonna be like a... I just wasn't expecting the car theme, you know? Fit check. Diesel kitten heels with a nice bit of snow. These jeans, Jaded London. This top, pleats please. This shirt underneath. A boy left it at my house. This tie. Same boy left that at my house. This blazer. Same boy left that at my house. Guys, I'm so excited. Honestly, this venue is making me feel so cozy and like at home. It just feels so welcoming. There's no long lines, so many friendly faces, so much help. Like, maybe Indianapolis was the vibe. Hello. Hey guys, reporting at you live from the NBA All-Star Games. Watch out my faces.
Had to gas up on him, had to make it to the shuttle, see my graphs up on him. Had to pull another tab in and scratch one off him. This is everybody world, I'm the last one off him. Had to gas up on him, had to make it to the shuttle, see my graphs up on him. Had to pull another tab.
She got it on every day. It's the third fit of the day. That's how you doing it?
This a car remix, had to make it to the shuttle, see my body. I told her mama start real quick, was making music video.
Morning! It is currently day 2 of the All-Star weekend. Today I went and I ate breakfast down in the lobby. Tell me why it was actually the best hotel food I've ever had. Like, why did they have feta on the eggs? And why was I out here making myself a brown sugar oat, honey, coffee, making my own little breakfast burritos? It was good. I'm gonna head over to the NBA house in a sec, which is basically like the area that we were all hanging out yesterday. But guys, I am more quiet than like, I'm so quiet on this trip. I like get really quiet on group trips. I don't know what it is. Maybe that's why I've like never been invited like on a brand trip. We're just gonna try to make it through today without being nearly as anxious as yesterday. That's the goal. Coffee. It's the fit. What do we think? The same airport fit.
Yeah, I'm in a video, yeah.
Alright, we're about to go in the room. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Hi, I'm Mai. Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, I definitely got you.
You want to say hi to the vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Alright guys, we're heading down to the courts. Like all the comments, you know, we gotta keep up with it. If you're watching this video right now, put down a comment so I have something to read. Hi everyone, I'm at the NBA All-Star Tournament in Indianapolis, and today I'm gonna be asking NBA players what their go-to song is to play before they get on the court.
Okay, the NBA just gifted me so many things, so today we're gonna unbox them. I have no idea what's in here. Like, actually, I saw everyone else getting their gifts the other day, and I was like, damn, they really just didn't think about me, but they said psych. First off, NBA All-Star jacket. Wait, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is actually so sick. Wait, why is this looking like a dinosaur, low-key? I love this. Oh my god, it's Canada Goose. Shut up, shut up. It's Canada Goose, guys. Do you see this? This is that good quality. Thank you so much. And it says like NBA on the back. This is so crazy. Their shoes. These are so sick. So I'm so excited to try these on. I'm actually gassed right now. This is like, I had no idea what to expect, but this is like way better than I thought. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, I literally have this green fit that would have looked so good with these shoes. Now let's open this big boy. What could possibly be in here? Wait, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. And it gave me a hat too. My mom's gonna eat this up. Every time I'm at an event, I bring back my mom a hat and she has like a collection from so many of them. This is cute. And then these shorts. Thank you so much, NBA. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, genuinely, I am so excited watching this. Woo! Come on! No, come on. Let me know down in the comments who you got your money on. Oh, I don't think he's got it either. Oh, he did that, he did that. Oh, he's so clean with it. Do you have anything to say to the audience?
Sure, be yourself. Be confident, always be learning, and anything is possible.
Okay, thank you. Y'all heard that. Be yourself, be confident. Those are gonna be my daily affirmations. I'm gonna play that on repeat. Imagine they're trying to take a girl out for the first date, being super romantic. What should they do? You know, if they were you.
Stay in the moment. Look at her eyes, look at his eyes.
Yeah. Where should he take her?
The destination ain't as important as the time and the focus and the discipline. That's where people get caught up. Like,
what should they do for their first date when they take a girl out?
Are you talking about the food?
That too. Where are they taking them?
Learn how to cook and cook for that girl.
Learn to cook the dish that you love most. I didn't have any money when I was in college, but I knew how to cook.
Okay.
I think that's
what
the
was
thing.
your favorite thing to cook? What were you chefing it up?
I really have to think it was spaghetti and meatballs.
Do you got the recipe for that we can link?
We'll do it right now. Ready?
Okay.
Fantastic.
Walking back now, I'm not gonna lie guys, you guys are gonna kill me. I just saw Jonas. And then after, I was like, oh, who was that? And they were like, who was that? Best center of all. I felt the regret, you know? Okay, everyone's going out right now, but I'm gonna stay back and edit because duh, we gotta get the content out for you guys. But someone was in my room because what is this? What's in this package? They gave me a Polaroid. Thank you.
There's so much good flowing into my life right now. I do not chase, I attract.
Just listening to these affirmations, one, made me feel better, but two, like reflecting. One, I'm really glad that I did not go out tonight. Would not have been good. Second of all, I think that this feeling of uncomfortableness and anxiousness that I'm feeling, I'm looking at it in a bad light. Like the perspective that I'm seeing it is like, oh my god, I'm anxious. Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, I'm overstimulated. Which, that's valid, but if I flip it and I see it from another perspective, it's like, the only reason why I'm feeling these feelings is because I'm doing a new opportunity that I've never done before and I don't know how to navigate it. You know, like I'm meeting new people that I've never met before. I'm in a new city. I'm working with the NBA, which I've never done before. I don't know how this is supposed to go, so of course I'm going to feel anxious and of course I'm gonna feel overwhelmed. I should be grateful that I'm feeling this feeling right now because it doesn't happen very often. Just give myself grace, to be honest, because I think that I've been not beating myself up, but like really in my head and just like, oh my god, why am I feeling this way? Like, in reality, it's kind of a good thing that I'm feeling this. It means that I'm doing something new. Anyways, I was gonna just go straight to sleep, which I should. Also, I think that I should see what's up. Excited for tomorrow, the last day. Really good.
East and west, right?
Moon's out tonight. Look at it, yeah, the moon's out.
Just her girl on me. I'm thinking I should arrest her. Hey, I'm
thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, it's anything but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see. So bad I'm not using my Visine. Gotta get it like Leon, and I'm a icy.